Hey guys, I'm in a car wash. Oh my god, look at the windows. So I took like 3 videos already. And we wanted them to
Mom,
look at.
don't talk because you don't want to be on YouTube.
And that window got opened. So yeah, like you can tell, that it got that. So right now it's coming off. Oh, by the way, look at the back. It was all covered.
I know. I want to
I'm
get
with Daniel, by the way.
Hi.
He likes to lick his shoe. Why not do that again for us?
For content.
Yes,
Okay.
we want content. Oh!
What the?
Oh my!
That's actually.
It's so scary! That was so scary! Oh my god. I heard it and I was like, hey, what's that? And then I actually saw it. Daniel, as we were saying, lick your shoe, please. That keeps on scaring me.
Okay.
You see, like it turned on and I was like, oh, okay, lick your shoe.
Lick my shoe.
Okay.
I'm feeling nothing.
We are literally like not doing.
I just wanted to lick my shoe.
Oh my! We're not making this happen or anything.
I just wanted to lick my shoe.
Do that again for us.
Okay.
Time with digital-only ticketing for the measure to be COVID safe, families will be allowed to sit together.
Oh my god, it scared me.
It's COVID! Christine, look! It's COVID-19! It's COVID!
It's COVID-19. That keeps on scaring me.
Mum, we just got sprayed by COVID-19. You don't
Shut up, ads!
Via the Metro Tunnel from
The ads won't shut up.
And today marks the
Sorry, that was
grim anniversary for Victoria.
Oh my.
Bushfire season that ravaged
Oh my god, you can't see it. It's so blowy, you can't see it. It's coming.
This is the scariest bit ever.
Have you been interview time? Have you been in a car wash before?
Yes, wait, I need to lick my shoe for content again because I didn't do it last time.
AFL season.
Ah!
Established where primary lease to be
I have never been in a car wash before. Daniel, you're going to be my witness. Have I been in a car wash before?
No.
What?
Someone's peeing on my car!
Yeah, I know.
Wait, I can feel that.
I just want to get out and lick it. Daniel, your car is the car. Imagine you accidentally widened your window down for content and then sprayed us. We're going out of here. Oh,
Tomorrow we're the possible afternoon.
Waiting us.
Storm atop of 30.
Ready?
Now
I'm
it's
going
20
to
degrees
for
and your
content.
chance to win a $10,000
Daniel is
Shopify
going to
right
open
across
his
this
window for
weekend with
content.
Gold 104.3's $10,000
That was
Golden
so
Gift.